Redo it.
No. I can't breathe right now.
Pick up the bag. Pick up the bag.
Ready?
Okay, I'll get it. Oh no, I want to get it. Holy crap, it's heavy. Holy shit. Okay, I can do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shit. Holy crap. Oh my god, the bag is broken. Crystal, you broke the bag. Chelsea, pick it up.
Help me. Help me. My pants are falling down.
Oh my god, this guy.
Oh my god.
Take all this stuff. Start putting it in.
Hey, ready?
It is a pizza box.
Me.
Here. I got it.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I would have pissed myself.
Peel in there.
Oh my god.
Probably Mr. Santamore's orange peel too. We don't catch syphilis now. We're all gonna catch syphilis now. The gate is in.
Should I help you guys out?
No, you shouldn't just stand there. No, I actually want to see this. I'll record it.
Okay, I am. That was pretty freaking funny.
And then message it to me later.
Oh my, ew, there's an orange peel.
That's what I said.
I'm not touching that.
I'm leaving it on the ground.
Ow.
Oh, that is some big mess. Oh my god, my throat hurts. I'm laughing so hard. Ew, there's a piece of pizza. Can we just leave it? That's gross.
Go.
Oh my freaking god, I have a headache from laughing so hard.
Did you open the door?
Yeah, it's open. I'm not gonna leave it like that, dude. Oh my gosh. That was too good. Crystal, wrong door. I can't believe I got that too. I never get anything good. Oh. Okay, let's watch her process. You're dumb. Here, I got the block. Or not. You got the block.
I need to go back and watch the picture.
I'm still recording. It smells so bad.